Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. So we are having a small mini store located at Sadashivap Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. It's a home-based store. It's a small store. Okay, we are dealing with different types of sarees and different types of dress materials. Okay, we have stocked the imitation jewelry, so there won't be much collections for the jewelries with us. So starting today, the dispatch has started to other location except Chennai. So all the deliveries are available. The home delivery is available for all the location except Chennai. Okay, so whoever is outside Chennai want to place the order, book the orders, you can feel free to book the orders. Whoever is in Chennai, please hold on. So until we get the further communication, the Chennai deliveries will not be happening. So you can hold the products as of now. Okay, so for other location you can directly book the products and ask for the dispatch. So we will be having all the security measures while the order is being packed and also dispatched. Okay, even in the courier services everything is handled in a perfect way, so you can be rest assured on those details. So coming to the dispatching details, shipping charges, it's 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So for each and every order you have to calculate like the product cost plus the shipping cost plus 100 rupees per order. Okay, not per product, it's per order. 100 rupees is per order. So today I have some Georgette casual wear sarees. Okay, many of them are requesting for some casual wear, daily wear collection. So today I have brought up some Georgette sarees. Okay, the fabric will be very premium. It's not the regular Georgette, it's 60 grams Georgette. So actually 60 gram Georgette means the quality of the fabric will be very high, not to the normal Georgette. Okay, so that's how everything is printed. Okay, I will show with the products now. So these are all regular wear sarees. If the video is blurred out, kindly let me know. Okay, so these are 60 grams Georgette. Okay, so the fabric will be very soft. Okay, very soft and also comfortable to wear in this summer and all the time being. Okay, so this is the first one. It's a pink base and you have a full floral printer. Okay, and you have this kind of printing in the pallu. Okay, this is the pallu part. You have the flower with the lines printed here, and these are the body. The whole saree will be looking like this. So this is a pink with flower base, and so this is the pallu, and you have the blouse piece, self blouse but with a darkened color shade. Okay, it has a shade of red and pink together. So this is the blouse piece and this is the pallu, and this is how the saree will be looking. So please take the screenshot for all the enquiries. Don't go with the number or just the description. Okay, but because same description there might be other collections also. So please always go with the screenshot so that we be comfortable for our further communication. So this is the first saree for the light. So in the same design I have other colors also. So this is the second one. It's orange, the same design. Okay, so it's like the blouse will come with orange shade. So this is the blouse piece, and the pallu, you have the striped line pallu along with the flower designs. And so this is the next one. The fabric is 60 gram Georgette. Okay, it's an orange base, price at 600 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. Okay, and green color, sea green. So this is the next color, sea green color. So I will quickly show you the details for this also. So pallu, and this is the blouse piece, and this is the design. Okay, this is the third saree. This is sea green color. It's not sea blue, it's sea green. Okay, so these are the three sarees available in this particular design. The fabric will be same, but the designs will be a little different for these sarees. So these three sarees, sea green, orange and pink. Okay, so I'm moving with the next one. So it's a black with red combination. So this is the body pallu, everything. Okay, the saree will be having the same design in pallu and the saree as well. So it's a black with red with full floral design. The fabric is 60 gram georgette, so it will be very, very soft. It will be better than the normal georgette saree. So the blouse comes with contrast. It's a red color. Okay, and the full body you will be having the same design. So you have a full floral garden design in the bottom and a minute small border like design in the upper part. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a black with red combination and the blouse comes with contrast. These are all casual wear sarees, so you can wear it anytime. So this is the blouse, and the blouse will also have small printing. Okay, it's all printed. So this is the next saree. Please, as I always say, take the screenshot. So this is how the saree will be looking. So please take the screenshot of each and every product that you are going to inquire. Okay. So the same design. The other color is royal blue with sky blue combination. So it will be same. It will be very soft. It will be comfortable to wear at any time. Okay. So this is the next one, a saree. So same design, but the color is just a sky blue with dark blue combination. So this is how the saree will be looking. So this will be comfortable to wear in any period. It won't. It will take your sweat. Also, the georgette will be comfortable to wear in summer season also. So for regular wears. So these are the two sarees in this particular design, and I'm moving to the next design. This is an orange with brown combination. So this is the pallu design, and this is the body part. This is how the body will be looking. We have this kind of designs all over the body. The color is varying. It's actually dark orange with brown combination. Okay, the color is varying. Please, if you want to book this product, please refer to the picture in my WhatsApp catalog or just ask me for the details so that I will be sending you the details along with. So this is the pallu. Okay, it's a dark orange with brown combination. You have this kind of blouse. Okay, everything comes with the blouse. The blouse pana is also very big. So it can be stitched, customized for the fat persons also. So this is the next saree, how it will be looking. So please take the screenshots. Okay, it's a dark orange. A color is slightly varying. So the same design, I have other colors. It's yellow with brown shade. Okay, so I will quickly walk through the saree, how it will be looking. So this is the pallu and the blouse and the saree. Okay, so this is how the design will be looking. This is a yellow with brown. Okay, this will be a lighter shaded yellow. Okay, it won't be that brighter. Okay, the color again is coming very brighter in the video. Actually, all the videos and all the pictures we are taking only with direct sunlight or just a tube light. Okay, we won't be having any extra effects for those pictures. So this is a peach with blue combination. So this is a pallu, and you have a dark navy blue blouse with this kind of design. So this is a peach and blue combination. Okay, this is the next one. And you have again blue combination, sea blue with blue, dark blue. So this is how the saree will be looking. So everything is with different designs and everything is very soft. It's a 60 grams georgette. Okay, it's a not normal georgette, it's 60 gram georgette. So the quality will be very good than the normal georgette sarees. Okay, very comfortable also. These are the 4 colors available in this particular design: sea green with blue, peach with royal blue, and yellow with brown, and orange with brown. So these are the combinations. And I'm moving with the next one. So you have this kind of floral design printed here. Okay, this is the next saree design. Okay, and it has the contrast blouse as well. It's a self blouse, it's not to be contrast exactly. So it's a red with brown shade again. It's a coffee brown, and you have this kind of designs. It's like a diamond design. It's like this. The floral design will be coming in between and along with the coffee brown design. It's very different design as well. So this will be coming all over the body, and as the pallu also. In pallu, a slight variation will be there for the design. So you have the coffee brown mostly, and this is the blouse. You have the contrast blouse, okay, red color, and this is the saree. So this is how the saree will be looking. So these sarees can be used for the regular wears. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a red color, okay, with coffee brown shade. And the same design, I have a dark green, leaf green color with purple combination. So the same design, it comes with the blue blouse. And this is the pallu. So this is how the saree will be looking. So this is the next saree. So even in the crepe sarees will be not extracting your sweat, but the georgette will be very fine for whoever is having much sweatness. So this is ma'am, Beena ma'am, I will reply you ma'am. Okay. Yeah. So these are the collections I have for today. So this is how the designs will be there. So these two sarees. So as I said earlier, the courier services is available all over India and also worldwide, but except Chennai. Okay, except Chennai, with the dispatches have started. DTDC hasn't resumed it. So we will be using only the delivery courier service as of now. So delivery is servicing all over India except Chennai. Okay, so whoever is outside Chennai, you can directly book the orders. Please pay the please clear the payment so that we will be dispatching the orders. So whoever in Chennai, you can still hold the products and you can ask for the dispatch once the communication is made. So as of now, the lockdown might be extended also. So we are not clear. We want to wait for the government instruction. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. Okay, so shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India per product. For multiples, please refer with me before order. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. By Wednesday, same timing, we will be coming up with the next set of collections. Okay, so please stay tuned. We are in the lockdown situation, so there might be some hitches. I will be letting you know for all the details. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.